Hi everyone. I'm standing in front of the iconic Las Vegas sign, but the even more iconic Elvis Presley.
Well, thank you very much.
Elvis has very graciously agreed to play reliability scented maintenance. True or false?
Well, you know.
All right, Elvis. True or false? Reliability scented maintenance is just about creating a maintenance plan.
False.
Elvis, that's right.
Well, thank you very much.
That's right. The answer is false.
I'm smarter than people think. Well, thank you very much.
There's a whole lot more that comes out of reliability scented maintenance when you do it right.
Yes.
You can, for example, come up with new training programs or maybe redesigns to equipment. All right, Elvis, I got another one. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, baby.
Okay.
I'm always ready.
All right.
TCB, baby. Take care of business. Well.
We take care of business when we do RCM.
Well, I'm
that's for sure.
taking care of it, baby. Thank you very much.
All right. True or false? Reliability scented maintenance is just for aircraft.
False.
That's right, Elvis.
Well, thank you.
The answer is false.
Well.
Now, reliability scented maintenance principles did originate within the aircraft industry, but it has been applied and can be applied to just about any asset on the planet.
Well, that makes sense, baby. Thank you very much. Even to my 85-year-old brain. Oh, thank you very much. Looking good for 85, right?
You look fantastic.
Well,
you feel pretty good, too.
Well, I do, man. I'm rocking it, baby. Oh, thank you very much.
All right, I got one more question. Are you ready, Elvis?
Well, I'm ready,
Okay,
baby.
true or false? You have to have comprehensive historical failure data to do an RCM analysis.
True.
All right, Elvis, you're 2 for 3. The answer is false.
Oh, man. Thank you very much. Well, you know, oh, man.
No, it's okay. You know why, Elvis?
What?
It's okay because that's a very big misconception of the process.
Oh,
a lot of people think you have to have all kinds of historical data, but you don't. If you have data, it's very important to use it, but I advocate a facilitated working group approach to RCM. So when you get the equipment experts around the table doing RCM with you, you capitalize on their decades worth of experience, and oftentimes that's the most truthful source of data.
Well, you know what? That's why it says true, because you says the truthful source of data.
Sounds
right.
You got me, Elvis.
Well, thank you very much.
You got me.
Yeah, that's right.
All right.
You know, it's now that you explain it, it makes a lot of sense.
Well, thank you, Elvis.
Well, you got it, baby.
All right, so this is Nancy Regan and Elvis Presley in Las Vegas, Nevada. Thank you for watching.
Thank you very much.